So for today's video, I will be doing a tutorial and review about the Detail Makeover Make Brow Gel. For this brow gel, it claims that it is good for 24 hours. It is an eyebrow and an eyeliner gel, and it is waterproof and long-lasting. So ito, nabili ko for 199 pesos only, and it already comes with a brush. I am really very happy with this brush because I am using this every day. I am in the shade chocolate, so let's swatch and let's prove if it is really waterproof. Ilalagay natin dito sa back sa ating hand. Ilalagay lang ako ng little amount because a little amount goes a long way. So, okay. Yan po yung color chocolate. Medyo dark siya ng konti. So, let's wait for it to dry and let's test. Okay, so maybe this is dry na. Okay, it's dry na. So, I have here my water spray. And let's spray this. So, 3 times natin siya isa-spray. So, let's try to smudge it. Okay. May nakikita ba kayo? Nahulas pa siya? Or, ano? Ano lang siguro, pag ginaganyan ko, kita nyo yung residue ng water na yan, may kulay siya na brown. Kahit ano pang gawin nyo dyan, hindi talaga siya matatanggal. Tapos pag tinanggal nyo siya using micellar water, ang tagal nyo talagang tanggalin. So, ito, I have my very little na micellar water. Test natin. Okay. Ilang rubs na yan. Hindi pa siya natatanggal. Diba? Ang hirap niya talagang tanggalin. Nakailang rubs na ako. Ang hirap. So, matagal siyang matanggal. Uy, natagalog naman ko. Magpa-English pa ko pagsugod. So, ito. Tanggalin ko na lang. ito, I'm gonna tell you what I like about this. Gusto ko to kasi it comes with a brush. And this brush is very useful kasi ang nipis niya talaga. Ito, I have not bought any brushes na pangkilay. Ito lang. Ginagamit ko talaga to everyday. So this is very useful. And I like this because maliit lang siya. So madadala mo siya kahit saan. And also, I have proved na this is really waterproof and long-lasting. Yung hindi ko lang nagustuhan sa kanya is yung brush niya na pang eyeliner, very thick siya. Hindi siya ganun kanipis. Tinry ko siya one time, nag-eyeliner ko tapos fail kasi medyo thick yung brush niya. At hindi ko gusto kasi ang dali niyang ma-dry. Yung first use ko sa kanya, dami talagang nailagay ko dito na side sa inner corner ng eyebrows ko. Tapos hindi ko alam na ang dali pala niyang ma-dry. Tapos ang hirap pa niyang tanggalin. So yun, dapat follow lang sa instructions ko na dito magsa-start. Tapos yung mga excess dito mo na ilagay at brush blend agad-agad. Gustong gusto ko talaga tong brow gel na to. That will be all for my detail makeover make brow gel tutorial and review, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye bye.